Okay, hello Internet. I hope you're ready for this. These are my twin birds, Walter and Polly. And they're both trained in voice-activated gaming. You guys ready? Alright, let's do this. Alright, Walter, can you say deploy tanks? And yes, you can. Pooh! Walter, Unit 5 attack can you say Unit 5 attack hostile 4? Can you? Oh, Polly. Polly, can you have all tanks attack Alpha?
All tanks attack Alpha.
There we go. Walter, now, okay, you're going to want to say all units attack hostile 4. Now, all units, I don't even watch, I don't even have to say anything. Okay, no, you don't need to say it anymore. Walter, just move on to the next one. Okay, well, you still beat Polly. I mean, Polly, what happened? Did you guys just see that? I mean, I'm not doing anything. These birds know what they're doing. Winner gets a back rub.